So here's the Klein Tools RT110 outlet tester. So this is to test electrical receptacles, and it's pretty much plug and play, easy for anybody who doesn't even know too much about electricity. Could test the outlets for potential issues like open ground, open neutral, open hot, hot ground, reverse, hot neutral reverse, and most important, if your outlet is set up correctly. Now, if you lived in older houses, you might have issues with new appliances like I had, and I want to make sure my appliance was going to work efficiently or work at all. And so I picked up this tester, and it gave me peace of mind and gave me the answer I was looking for. So I plug it in, I show the two lights that show the correct, and I'm good to go. We plug it in my new stove and having it work properly. This is such a no-brainer to have around the house, and you don't have to be an electrician, and it comes in handy, so why not get one?